Hello. Today I will give an easy to understand explanation of Thai compound vowels and special syllables for beginners. First, let's look at compound vowels. A compound vowel is a sound made by combining two vowels. Let's start with ia. In Japanese, it is ia, but the romanization is ia. You pronounce it by connecting the I and sounds quickly, with your mouth slightly open.
Ear, ear, ear.
Next is ua. The English romanization is ua. To pronounce it, don't round your lips. Keep your mouth slightly open and blend the sounds like ooh or ooah.
Ear, ear, ear.
There is also another ua. This one is pronounced ua more quickly, with your lips slightly rounded. The English romanization is ua.
Ua, ua, ua.
Next, let's look at special syllables. These are syllables where a specific consonant is added to the sound. For example, when M, Y, or W are added after the sound, they result in slightly different sounds. First is am. In Thai, it's written as shown. The English romanization is am. It is pronounced am with an A followed by an M sound.
Am, am, am.
Next is I, the I sound. In Thai, it's written as shown. It is called Mai Malai. The English romanization is A. It is pronounced with an sound followed by a Y sound.
I, I, I.
This also has the same sound as the previous one. In Thai, a different character called Mai Muang is used, but the pronunciation is the same, I or I.
I, I, I.
Next is ow, pronounced ow. In Thai, it is written as shown. The English romanization is AW. It is pronounced ow with an A followed by a W sound.
Ow, ow, ow.
From here, I will introduce some slightly special compound vowels. This is ơi. In Thai, it's written as shown. The English romanization is ơi. You pronounce it as ui or ui. Ui.